Unlock your global earnings today. Discover the ultimate guide to effortlessly create and set up your Payoneer account and start receiving payments from around the world. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can start creating and setting up a Payoneer account. So first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into Payoneer.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Payoneer is a financial services company that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. It allows businesses and professionals to send and receive funds globally, making it easier to conduct international transactions. Users can open a Payoneer account to manage payments, withdraw funds to their local bank accounts, and access a prepaid MasterCard for online and in-store purchases. It's widely used by freelancers, online sellers, and businesses for cross-border payments. So here we have how you can get started. You click over here, ready to open your own Payoneer account. Just give us a few details and we will find the right type of account for you. You have your contact Payoneer, get online support, how to video and guides, Payoneer community also. Also we have other information here. So let's come back to the top. So you click over here, sign up now. But before, let's read this information. The global account for freelance business. A Payoneer account is the quick, secure, and reliable way to get paid by clients and freelance marketplaces. Make payments from your Payoneer account or withdraw earnings locally with just a few clicks. Once you click over sign up now, you will find this page. Choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. We have here, please select the option that describes you the best. If you are freelancer or SMB, online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation rental host, or individual. So you click over the one you are. For example, I will click for individuals and I will find this page. The right account for you is freelancer, agency, or service provider, getting paid by clients or via marketplaces. If we scroll down, we have here get paid by leading marketplaces, including Upwork, Fiverr, Getty Images, and more. Get paid by your global clients. Withdraw your earnings to your local bank account at low rates. Withdraw funds at ATM, and we have also here pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free. So once you click over register, you will find this page. It's Payoneer signing up. So we have four steps here. The first one, which is getting started, then we have contact details, security details, almost done also. The first one we have getting started, so we have just to answer this question. Is your business registered with any government, business licensing, or tax authority? We have the first one, no or yes. The first one, no, my business isn't registered. You can over if is it no, or we have yes, I own or represent a registered business if it's yes. So here we have, please fill in the files in English characters only. You write your first name, your last name, your email address, and you confirm your email address again. So we have a date of birth. So you choose your date. You select, for example, 20, like that. If you which month, then you select which day, for example, 16. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find the second step, which is contact details. Please fill in the files in English characters only. Providing a complete and accurate address speeds up your account approval. So you click over the country you are. For example, we have various countries. Then we have here street and number, also mobile number, and then we have click send code and enter the verification code we send to your mobile number. So you write your verification code and you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page, which is security details. Then almost done. You have just to write your personal information. I already did this steps, but right now I can't because I cannot do the same number. And you will find this page. Congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Want a Payoneer account? learn how to order one. You are now in the second step of the application process. The first one, we have application completed. Application has been successfully submitted, so this firstly is done. Then we have review and process also. You will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application has been reviewed. Then we have the last step, which is receive payments. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation and can begin receive payments to your account. Then you will find the home page. So once you have signed up for Payoneer, the first step is to verify your account by providing the necessary identification and business information. After verification, link your local bank account to facilitate easy withdrawals. You can then receive payments from clients or marketplaces by sharing your Payoneer receiving accounts, which support multiple currencies. To enhance your experience, consider ordering a Payoneer prepaid MasterCard for convenient access to your funds. Finally, explore your dashboard to familiarize yourself with features like payment request and transaction history. So here we have withdraw transfer in the home page. We have firstly in the home page transactions updated every several minutes, latest and upcoming. Then we have view all here, nothing to see here right now. Then we have here other options like withdraw and transfer money between your currency balances to make payments in the currency you need. You have here from, you select the balance, then we have to, and you select the balance. Then we have here to manage currency you need to be receiving funds to a Payoneer account, and then we have other options like account activity. We have here such as transactions, payment requests sent. Also we have report and statement like monthly statement and transaction reports. Then we have bank account here. So this is my account. Payoneer reserves the right to verify that you have access to and control over any bank account for withdrawal you add to your account. Then we have business networking, companies you work with, business applications, and connect apps. So getting started with Payoneer opens up a world of opportunities for seamless global transactions. By following the setup steps and leveraging its features, you can efficiently manage your payments and enhance your business operations. Embrace the flexibility and convenience Payoneer offers and unlock your potential in the global marketplace. So we have just to get started as soon as possible. So Payoneer is very helpful and useful. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.